Welcome back, students. So in this video we will discuss about zero error in measuring instruments. As a quick recap, we have so far covered how the current flows, direction of current flow, and the direction of flow of flow electrons, and the difference between current and voltage. One is the cause and the other is the effect. Then we have seen in depth the definition of electric current, the formula, unit, and what is 1 ampere of current and so on. Also, we have covered the same definition formula units for voltage and what 1 voltage means. We have covered the measuring instruments for both this current and voltage in the previous video, that is ammeter and voltmeter. In this video, we will continue to cover the zero error in measuring instruments. So let us understand what is zero error. Before that, it's a bit vague whether this topic is out of syllabus or not. This is a short video, 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes. It's always good to know, nothing wrong. It's always good to know a simple concept, whether it is there in syllabus or not. So please just focus for a couple of minutes. So what is a zero error? So in the first image, when you see the pointer of ammeter is below zero. Similarly, in the voltmeter, the pointer in the ammeter is after 2 scale or 2 units. So zero errors in an instrument has happened when it does not show zero when it should. So when should an instrument show zero? When there is no current flowing, the instrument is showing some value. The instrument is not connected to your circuit. It is not, there is no power flowing through it, but still the instrument indicates maybe 0.1 microampere or minus 0.1 microampere or whatever. Similarly for voltmeter also, voltmeter indicates voltage. When no voltage is there, it should be showing zero voltage. If the needle or the display shows any value other than zero, when it should be zero, then it is called as zero error. So what is the problem with the zero error? See, it leads to incorrect readings. For example, if an ammeter shows 0.2 amperes, even when there is no current flowing, and when you are measuring it, and when you're measuring some electrical circuit, current flowing through electrical circuit, even when the actual current is 2 ampere, the device will show you 2.2 amperes. So this leads to a inaccuracy in the measured readings. So the remedy is straightforward. You need to adjust your readings for the zero error and get the correct value. So how to correct zero error? So you need to check, without connecting the instrument to a circuit, you need to first check whether the device has any zero error. If the instrument points to any value other than zero, then it has a zero error, and you need to note down the value. If the error is positive, you need to subtract it from your subsequent readings. And if the error is negative, you need to add it. Just simple. So let me show it with the example. So a voltmeter is showing 0.1 volts when there is no voltage applied, or even when it is not connected to a circuit. So 0.1 voltage means it's a positive zero error. So when you measure the reading, and should the reading show you 5.1 volts, then the actual voltage is 5.1 minus, you have to adjust this extra 0.1 volts. 5.1 volts minus 0.1 volt is equal to 5 volts. So there have been one or two instances in the past where the zero error has been a question in the past. We will discuss that in the subsequent videos. So for now, this topic is we have completed the topic, and in the next video we will discuss about electrical circuits. Thank you and bye till then.